Hello students, welcome to the class of chemistry. As you all know, we are going with the topic of alcohol. In my last video, we did chemical properties of alcohol, in which we did dehydration and acylation with mechanism. Today, we will proceed further with the reaction. Okay, we'll do the reaction of alcohol with thionyl chloride. This reaction is very important. Along with its mechanism, I am going to explain you. Okay, so what happens when alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine? Pyridine is an aromatic compound. Then what forms is alkyl halide and SO2 and Cl. Okay, when we react alcohol with SOCl2, that is thionyl chloride, in presence of pyridine, what is formed is alkyl halide with SO2 and Cl. Okay, now alcohol in this mechanism, in this reaction, will act as a nucleophile because it has oxygen which has lone pair of electrons. So the mechanism. The reaction always proceeds with the mechanism. In the first step, what will happen is alcohol reacts with, you will write like this. This is the structure of SOCl2. Now alcohol and SOCl2 will react. So it wants a negative charge and partial positive charge. SOCl2 has no partial positive charge. So what will happen? This lone pair of electron will shift to the oxygen atom. Okay. And then what will happen is it will get partial positive charge. Oxygen has lone pair of electron. It is already electronegative. So S will attack on the oxygen atom. And what is formed is an intermediate compound like this. Okay. First of all, oxygen being more electronegative will take the lone pair of electrons. Then S will become partial positive. Oxygen is already partial negative. So S will attack on the oxygen atom and will form an intermediate compound like this. In the next step, pyridine will attack on this molecule. Pyridine has a structure like this, which has lone pair of electrons. So it will attack on the H atom. Okay, it will take the proton, and when it will take the proton, oxygen, now it has positive charge because it has shared its electrons with S. So when H will attack on N, these electrons will shift on the oxygen atom. And then what is formed is RO, SO, Cl, Cl. Okay. N will attack on H and will form NH. Okay. Now in the next step, chlorine is very electronegative. Chlorine is an electronegative atom, so it will remove from the group. When chlorine will remove from the group, then S will get positive charge because it is removed with the bond. So what will happen? This oxygen will share its electron with this bond. Okay, and S will get its structure as S double bond O. So what is formed is like this. Okay, now in the next step, what will happen? This Cl will remove from the group. This Cl will also remove from the group, and when this Cl will remove from the group, then what will happen is like this, the bond will form. Okay, this Cl will remove like this with the lone pair of electrons. Then this Cl will remove, and then what will happen? It will attack on the R atom. Okay, it will attack on the alkyl group. When it will attack on the alkyl group, then this bond will shift here because the deficiency S will again become electropositive. When Cl will remove, then S will become electropositive. So it needs a bond, a lone pair of electron. So it will take the bond from here. And Cl is negative charge, and it will have positive charge when the bond will shift. So RCl will form. What will form is RCl plus what is formed is SO2, and Cl which was removed earlier in the reaction will also form in the reaction. So how it has happened, I will explain you again. First of all, alcohol react with thionyl chloride. Oxygen, being more electronegative, will take the lone pair of electrons towards itself. It will get partial positive charge. It has partial negative charge, so S will attack on the O. S will attack on O. Oxygen will become electron deficient, and then pyridine will take place in the reaction, and then pyridine will take the H from the molecule, and this electron, this lone pair of electron, will shift on oxygen atom. In the next step, the Cl, being more electronegative, will remove from the molecule, and then oxygen, which has lone pair of electron, will share its electron with S. Okay, so what will form is S double bond O bond, and then in the next reaction, another Cl molecule will remove from the group. When it will remove, then S will again become positive charge, so it will take the bond from here. When it will take the bond from here, bond means lone pair of electrons, then alkyl group will attack on the Cl, because alkyl group will get positive charge, so it will attack on the Cl group, and what is formed is RCl plus SO2 plus Cl. Understood? Now we will come on the next reaction. Now the next reaction is reaction of alcohol with PBr3 or PCl3. Both will have the same mechanism. The next reaction is reaction of alcohol with, we will do with PBr3. Okay, so the reaction is like this. First we will do the reaction. It is like this. What is formed is alkyl halide again. The reagent is different. In the previous reaction we did it with thionyl chloride. Now we will do this with PBr3, RBr, and what is formed is H3PBr, H3PO3. Okay, now the mechanism. It is a very simple mechanism. First of all, we will take CH3, CH2OH, and it will react with P, Br, Br, 3 atoms of Br. Okay, the structure we will write like this. Now what will happen? This is Br is electronegative, so it is a nucleophile, so it will take the lone pair of electrons and will remove from the molecule. When it will remove from the molecule, then what will happen? It will attack here. Okay. First of all, it will remove from the molecule, so it will become positive charge. It is already negative charge. Okay. Then it will become positive charge. It will attack here, like this. There are two Br molecules, Br atom. One Br has been removed. So what will happen? This will become positive now, because P has shared its electron with oxygen, so it will get positive charge. So it will take the lone pair of electrons from here, from this bond. When it will take the lone pair of electrons from here, this alkyl group will get free and it will get positive charge. So it will attack on the Br nucleophile. Okay. So what will form is CH3, CH2Br plus a molecule, intermediate compound, a molecule like this will form, and alkyl bromide will form. How the reaction happens? When alcohol reacts with PBr3, then this nucleophile will remove from the molecule and P will get positive charge. P will attack on the oxygen. Okay, like this. When it will attack on the oxygen atom, then oxygen will get deficient of electrons and will get positive charge. Then it will take the electrons from this bond, and when alkyl group will get free, it will attack on the Br, because it has positive charge and Br has negative charge. Then what will form is CH3, CH2Br and this compound. Okay. Now in the next step, again what will happen? Another molecule of alcohol will react in the reaction like this. Okay. It will react with this Br and Br. Now we will take 2 molecules of ethanol. This is an ethanol. We will take 2 molecules of ethanol in the further reaction. It will react with this. How? The 2Br, now 2 molecules we have taken. So 2Br atoms will remove from the reaction. When they both will remove from the reaction, it will get more electropositive and it will attack on the oxygen atom. Okay. Now what will form is CH3, CH2, Br, 2 molecules, and what is formed is POH whole thrice. How? P will attack here and 1 minute. First let me tell you how it happens. CH3, CH2, OH, P, OH. Okay, there are 2 molecules. Okay, now what will happen? Then this CH3, CH2, this will become electron deficient. When 2 molecules of 2 atoms of Br will remove, then this will get positive charge. It will attack on the oxygen atom. Okay, and 2 Br have been removed. Now what will happen? This P has joined with the O, so O will get positive charge. So it will take the bond from here. Again the same thing happens. It will take the bond from here. These will get free, this alkyl group. So it will join here with the bromine. Br. Okay. When it will join Br, then what will form is CH3, CH2, Br. There are 2 molecules of CH3, CH2, Br because we have taken 2 molecules of alcohol and 2 Br has been removed. Okay. Now what is formed is POH and 2 molecules here. So POH whole thrice. So this is the reaction. Have you all understood? So now for now it's over. Now we will meet in our next video. Till then, goodbye. Have a great day.